Hey everyone, welcome home to Safe Haven. It's Britonny. Now in today's video, I am showing you a lovely home. It's one of the homes that have opportunity for rental income. Actually, it has opportunity to have two rental incomes. You can live in one side and then rent out two other sides that's available there. It's under $20 million and I foresee this one going really quickly. So if you're interested in hearing about this home, keep on watching. Alright guys, so the first thing I want to say is the realtor you'll contact is Nadeen Neil from Century 21 Heathrow Properties, and her information is on the screen, as well as I'll put it also in the description box. This house is listed for 17 million Jamaican dollars and it's located in the Kingston Gardens area of Kingston 4. Now this property is really great because it's a 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom property. But what's really nice is that it's divided into 3 separate units. All right, so that means that you can have this property as just like a total investment property where you rent out all 3 units, or you could live in one and then rent out the other 2 units. Now how it's split is that you'll have one unit being a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom, another unit being a 1-bedroom, 1-bath, and this has like living and dining area, and then the other unit towards the back is going to be a studio. And based on the pictures, it seems as if the studio unit is like a standalone unit. What's also really great about this property, you guys, is that it's in close proximity to a lot of essential areas, if I want to say that, essential areas, or it's just a good location to be because it's close to schools, whether primary, secondary, or tertiary schools. All right, it's close to the National Heroes Park. It's close to shopping and business districts like Crossroads and downtown. And what's great about that is that where you have this close proximity to these business areas, you're going to find persons needing places to rent, because why? They work in those areas. So they will need places to rent in close proximity, especially right now in Jamaica, where persons are trying to cut back on transportation and even cutting back on, the word slipping right now, but that journey that you take to work, your commute, right? So persons are trying to cut back on their commutes. They're trying to cut back on the cost of transportation. So they're looking to rent places that's in close proximity to where they work. And with this area, this Kingston 4 area, is going to be close to downtown, the Crossroads area, and the Hero Circle area, where you have lots of buildings, lots of offices. You have the Ministry of Education, and you have another government agency along that area as well. You have the Micro University in close proximity to there. So it's just it's a good location to be, close to schools, close to a lot of things that you may need. Alright, so let's talk about the house itself. So as you can see, the house, it sits on a fairly spacious yard space. You know, you have area to park, you know, area could even do some gardening as well, plant some larger fruit trees if you would like. The house doesn't seem to be in too bad of a condition, especially in some parts. Not much renovation to me in various parts of the home may be needed, probably in the rental areas, right? So probably that's the area that needs to work, and we'll see the picture again as it comes back up on the screen. But for the most part, the house seems to be in pretty good condition. Of course, you know, you want to go in and make your changes, make your updates, you know, make it your own. Of course, you have the ability to do so. So again, this one is listed for 17 million Jamaican dollars. It's a 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom in total, divided into 3 units, one being a 2-bedroom, 1-bath, another being 1-bedroom, 1-bath with living, dining, kitchen and all of that, and the other being a studio. And you know, your studio, it's like all in one with living, bedroom, bathroom, and whatever else you may need. Like, all right, so this one here, reach out to Nadeen Neil. I will place her contact number and her information, email, in the description box down below. I'll also put a link to the listing so you can reach out to her, contact her, and you know, go and do a tour of this property if you are interested. No, trust me guys, these homes really don't stay on the market for too long, because with all the listings that I put up, you know, I really monitor them, and I don't want for a second anyone to think that, oh, I'm selling these and that's the reason. No, the demand is just there for them. The demand is there, and this one is a great one to earn some income to help to pay back the mortgage as well. So check it out if you're interested. Alright, so that's it for today's video, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell if you like what you see, so that you don't miss any videos. I know persons have been saying that they haven't been seeing my videos, but guys, you have to hit the notification bell. And also follow me on all social media platforms at Safe Haven. We're on Instagram and TikTok, so that you guys will get the info of when the new videos drop. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, share this video with someone who is searching for a home. And until my next video, bye guys.